Just need regular chapati dough I already made us.
I'll make the egg filling.
Good job. Take a bowl and add chopped onion, tomatoes, coriander leaves, red chili powder and salt.
Now crack one egg. No eggshells, please. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Done.
First make medium-sized dough balls from the chapati dough. Now roll a normal chapati. Brush a little oil, sprinkle some flour. Fold all four sides to make a square. And roll it gently into a square again.
Ooh, fancy square paratha.
Trishaa, heat the tawa.
Tawa is nice and hot.
Place the paratha on the tawa. Flip it when one side is lightly roasted.
Look at that fluffy boy. Time for the magic. Open the top layer carefully.
Pour in the egg mixture, close the paratha, drizzle a little oil, then flip it.
More oil on the other side and roast until both sides are golden brown and crispy. Listen to that crunch.
Our delicious egg paratha is ready.
Serve it with chutney or sauce. So tasty. Perfect for breakfast, lunch or school tiffin. Bye everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe and see you in the next recipe.